Hello everyone. This video is going to show you the settings for drawing isometric views in AutoCAD. After watching this video, learner will be able to set required settings for isometric, draw a circle in isometric. So when you come to an isometric setting, we have to do layer setting in which we have to create two layers. One is object line, second is projection line. After that, at the bottom, you can see that there is a small arrow here pointing downwards. Click on that arrow. There is an option snap setting. So click on snap setting option. There is a snap and grid in which there is a snap type. Rectangular snap is used for regular 2D drawings, that is orthographic drawing, and isometric snap is used to draw isometric drawing in AutoCAD. So click on that icon and then click OK. So we have changed our cursor. Earlier it was in plus sign. Now you can see the cursor has changed its orientation. Then if I want to change the plane, we can use F5, toggle key F5. So if I press F5, you can see the command various planes has been drawn. Now let us start with a line. Draw a vertical line. I'll keep ortho on. So now we are working in a top plane. We can draw only 30-degree inclined line towards left, towards right. Okay. So now suppose if I want to change a plane, use F5 key, toggle key F5. So you can change the plane. You can see I can draw a vertical line. So let us draw a cube of 100 millimeter, 100 millimeter downwards, closing to it. Again, I'll enter line. Starting from this point, F5, changing the plane. We are working with now left plane, 100 millimeter, vertical distance 100 millimeter, and again coming back to its original position. Escape. Again, I'll enter. From this point, change the plane F5, top plane 100 millimeter, and then coming back to its initial position. So here we have drawn a cube. Okay. Now let us draw a circle in isometric. For drawing a circle in isometric, so if I want to draw a circle exactly at the center, so for reference I have drawn this line. So with that we can take a midpoint of that line as a center. So for drawing circle in isometric, you have to type ellipse. When you type ellipse, there is an option isocircle. So you can click here or you can press I enter from keyboard. Then it will say select the center, specify the center of isocircle. So you have to select a point where you want to draw a circle. After selecting a circle, center for a circle, it will say how much is the radius. So let us specify the radius as 50 millimeter. So you can see the diameter 100 millimeter, radius 50 millimeter. Again, I'll show you how to draw circle of 25 millimeter radius. Type ellipse, press enter, then I enter for isocircle. If we directly draw an ellipse, it will not be an isocircle. So after typing ellipse, you have to always select I enter. or isocircle. Select the center, give the radius 25 millimeter, press enter. So this is the method to draw a circle in isometric. Suppose if I want to draw a circle on right isometric plane, just let us take a midpoint. Okay, type ellipse, isocircle, specify the center. Now it is working on top isometric plane. So if I want to change the plane, press F5. Now you can see on the screen here it is written isoplane right. So now we are working in isoplane right. Enter the radius 20 millimeter. So you can draw circle of 20 millimeter. Now let us take a simple problem to show an isometric view of a given problem. So let us assume the origin is also given in this case. So 15 millimeter height of that base, starting from base itself, L enter, vertical distance 15 millimeter, horizontal distance of 70 millimeter, again vertical millimeter, 15 millimeter vertical distance, closing to its initial position. So let us first make the base. If I want to again change the plane, F5, 40 millimeter distance, 10 millimeter, 15 millimeter, and original position. L enter, change the plane, F5. Now this distance will be equal to 70 millimeter minus 40, 30 millimeter. From that point, you have to draw a vertical line. Vertical line, and that distance will be equal to, you can calculate that distance. The total distance is 45 millimeter minus 15. So that vertical distance is 30 millimeter, and then again remaining distance of 40 millimeter. Change the plane. In top view, you can see this 20 millimeter. Change the plane. For changing the plane, F5, 40 millimeter, and close it. Again, starting from this point, take this vertical distance as 20 millimeter, 40 millimeter. From this point, 40 millimeter, take vertical distance. So now if I want to do, now this what happened? We have drawn a wrong line. Now how to do it? Undo, click here, undo. So it will be redrawn that line. L enter. From this point, you can merge. So here there is a small portion of 15 millimeter height and total distance of 30 millimeter. From this point, change the plane F5, 15 millimeter, F5, take it on the other side, F5. You have to always click F5 for changing the plane, 20 millimeter, and then click it. Now at this point, you can see my OSNAP is taking the nearest point. Okay, so I want the intersection. It is taken, intersection is there. So let us hide the midpoint till the intersection point is not showing. So you extend that line at certain distance. We can use trim command to trim off that line. L enter. Again, you have to use points. O snap should be on F5 20 millimeter distance vertical line. Now using trim option, remove the unwanted line. Okay, so the remaining part is this slot. So you can see the total distance of 40 millimeter. In between distance is 20 millimeter. So on this side it is 10 millimeter, on this side it is 10 millimeter. So taking 10 millimeter distance, L enter from this point, 10 millimeter, change the plane, 15 millimeter distance, 20 millimeter, again 15 millimeter. Then at that point you can draw vertical line of 15 millimeter. Similarly, at this point, draw vertical line of 15 millimeter. L enter. From this point again you have to draw vertical line of 15 millimeter connected with this point. Use the trim option TR double enter. Remove the lines which are not required. So here we completed a simple isometric view and a circle. Happy learning.